Okay, let's jump right in. This is your urgent update on federal gun rights restoration, and I've got everything you need to know as of November 14, 2025. The Department of Justice just made a huge move, one that could really affect your future. So we're going to walk through exactly what this means for you. All right, let's get into the first big piece of news. The federal government is finally getting this restoration program ready, and they've just opened up brand new ways to get in touch. And this is a first. The DOJ has actually set up a dedicated phone number and an online form. This gives you a direct connection to the Office of the Pardon Attorney. So what is this 9 to 25C thing anyway? And why is this news such a big deal right now? Well, this is the actual federal law that lets you ask for your gun rights back. If you have a state conviction that's blocking you on a federal level, this is the path that you need to pay very close attention to. Look, these new ways to contact the DOJ are powerful tools for sure, but with potentially millions of people eligible, you've got to have a smart strategy to use them. Use this direct line for short, sharp questions. Things like, has the application portal opened yet, or where will you post the official application? That's how you get the intel you need to get ready. Now, to really get what's going on here, we have to talk about the single biggest challenge that's coming. The Department of Justice just released their own estimate. And honestly, the number is so massive, it changes everything about how you need to prepare. You ready for this? Up to 25 million people. Just think about that. It means the second that portal opens, it's going to be flooded. Being prepared isn't just an option, it's your biggest advantage. With a number that huge, let's do a quick personal check. Let's see just how ready you are right at this very moment. Ask yourself honestly, right now, could you pull up the exact case number and the court for the conviction that's affecting your rights? What about your paperwork? Do you have certified official copies of your judgment and discharge papers in your hands today? And finally, have you thought about who could vouch for you? You know, people who can speak to who you are today. Your boss, a mentor, maybe your pastor. Hey, if you answer no to any of that, don't sweat it. That's perfectly okay. Because this right here, this is your roadmap to getting everything organized and ready to go. Your job is actually pretty simple. It's just 3 steps. Get the right information, get your story straight, and then be ready to move the instant that portal goes live. The workbook is your guide. It's designed to help you gather every single critical piece of information in one place. Case numbers, conviction dates, proof you're done, and all the positive changes you've made. Then, the mock application lets you practice telling your story. You can write it out, refine it, and make sure your answers are clear and powerful for when it really counts. This is how you put yourself ahead of the crowd. This is how you turn a process that's super stressful for most people into a confident, efficient one for you. To get your hands on these tools, the workbook, the mock application, and the direct link to the new DOJ page, just head over to LegalGangsta.com. Remember our philosophy here. We're here to help you turn all this complicated knowledge into real power, and that power into freedom. And for those of you who want to know just a little more, let's take a quick look at the specific office you'll actually be talking to. It's called the Office of the Pardon Attorney. They're the part of the Department of Justice that handles federal clemency, and they're the ones building and running this whole program. So that's the bottom line. The portal is coming. The only question is, when it opens, will you be starting from zero, or will you be ready to walk right through that door? Your mission is to get ready, starting now.